Hey guys, Bubblestar here. I'm gonna do a little video on this Wicked for Good cookies, cutout shaped sugar cookie dough. Yeah, I already cooked them. I took one of each. Now I'm gonna taste test one of each. So, ooh, smells like a sugar cookie. Yum. Mmm, crispy. Okay. So bake it for like 13 minutes. That's what I did. And then bake it for 2 more minutes and then let it cool down. That's cool. Now Alphaba. Same taste. So this was the video. I like this. Like who doesn't like sugar cookie? So there's about the video. Give a like, subscribe, comment down below what other wicked food you want me to try. Yeah, and thank you. I love you, and bye.